So you want to empty your pork dumpling filling into a bowl. You also want to have a spoon beside it just to scoop the filling. You want a small bowl of water, your dumpling wrappers, an empty plate to fold your dumplings on, and then you want to sprinkle a little bit of flour onto the plate. This will just prevent the wrapper from sticking. There's lots of different ways you can fold your dumpling, but we'll show you a couple here. You take your dumpling wrapper, place it down in your floured plate, dip your finger in the water, run it across the edge here, just half, and you want to take about a teaspoon of filling. If you're a beginner or this is new to you, I would recommend using less filling, which will make it easier to close and seal. And as you get more comfortable, you can gradually add a little bit more filling. So we'll start with one of the easiest techniques, literally just folding it in half and squeeze it closed at the middle there and just press to make sure all the edges are sealed. You don't want any of the dumpling to ooze out as you're cooking. And that's the most basic fold that you can do. So it's the same as the half. You start by sealing all the edges. Making sure they're pressed tightly closed. You can add a little bit of water to the tip here. And you'll just bring these two around. Give it a good pinch, a little rose shape. So you'll join them at the top. And then you're just gonna fold this side. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Do the same thing with this side. And now you have your two pleats there. So you will take it, join it at the halfway point, squeeze this edge, make sure that's sealed. Then you'll bring this to the middle, seal that nice and tight, and just pinch these ones closed. A little triangle. So you pinch the top, the middle, you're gonna fold in pleat. You're gonna fold another plate and another one. As you get more used to this, you can add more pleats. There you are. You bring a large pot of water to boil, and then you can add in your dumplings, about 10 to 12 dumplings for a large pot. You're gonna boil your dumplings for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they float to the top. Take a slotted spoon, take your dumpling out. And at this step, if you want to enjoy your dumplings boiled, you can stop, let them cool, and then just dip them in our signature Kitster chili sauce. And if you want to enjoy your dumplings fried so that they're crispy, which is personally my favorite way, you just take a frying pan on medium heat and then add a layer of oil. So you'll take your boiled dumplings, just place them into your frying pan. And Once they're a nice golden crispy brown, you can take them out. And now you have crispy dumplings. Now you can enjoy it with the Kitster chili sauce.